today I'll be making some turned cornmeal. So I just had a little bit of pure black sesame oil and a piece of butter. So I'm going to be adding in some chopped celery. Thank you for watching, Love God family. I think you're going to enjoy this video. That's some diced tomatoes. This is some diced peppers. Four cloves of garlic. Some carrots. Some chopped onions. Some saltfish. And I'm gonna saute, and some fresh thyme. This is like a tablespoon of fresh thyme, guys. I'm gonna add some Scotch bonnet pepper. As you know, Jamaicans, they like Scotch bonnet pepper. In Jamaica, we call this dish turned cornmeal, but in America, they call it polenta. So I want mine to be really nice, guys. So I'm gonna saute until the vegetable is translucent, and then I'm gonna add a can of coconut milk I have here. The vegetable looks beautiful, guys. I know it's going to be pretty in the cornmeal. It's very important to make this dish on low heat because cornmeal is very easy to stick. So I'm going to let this saute a little bit, and then I'm going to pour my coconut milk in. So Love God family, as you can see, it's bubbling away. I had a tablespoon of pink Himalayan salt, and I'm gonna add my whole can of coconut milk, which is equal to a cup of milk. So I'm gonna let it boil a little bit, and then I'm gonna add my cornmeal in. Smells so good, guys. I wish they invented smell-o-vision. If you love anything, if you like anything, if you're learning anything, please like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend. I'm adding another little piece of unsalted butter, and I had 1 can of water. I add the coconut milk, and then I fill the can, and then I had a can of water, and then I'm mixing the cornmeal, guys, because it's very important not to put dry cornmeal, because if you put dry cornmeal, you're going to create a lot of lumps. So I am making sure that my cornmeal is very moist. So I put this whole thing of water, and then I'm going to add a little bit more. So like 2 cups of water to make sure the cornmeal is not dry when you're adding it in. You don't want to have in Jamaica we say lumpy. So see, guys, so I'm gonna add and stir. As if you don't add and stir, it can also get very create a lot of lump when it hits the warm water. Let's start doing its thing, guys. And it's very important to cook on low heat, guys. low heat. If you cook it too fast, then the cornmeal is not going to be cooked. Very low heat, guys, and let it steam. So I use like 2.5 cups of water because I want to make sure that my cornmeal is cooked properly. And then I'm gonna let it sit on low heat, guys. So the cornmeal is very cooked. Smells so good. I'm gonna taste it for flavor, that if it needs more salt. So I'm gonna let it sit, guys, and steam and low heat. This one you can't hurry it. You just have to let it take its time and do its thing. Tastes really good, guys. I was gonna add some salt, but I kind of changed my mind because I don't want it to be salty. The flavor of the sausage is already in there. So I'm gonna cover it and let it steam. So guys, this is the finished look. Look at it, so nice. Look at it, guys. Turned cornmeal. Very nice. I'm gonna make a nice bowl of it and show you the finished presentation. I can't wait to eat it, guys. I wish you could smell it. Smells so good and tastes so good. I'm just gonna taste some of it, guys. So good. Very good. Thank you for all your support. Welcome for my new viewers. Please like, share, and subscribe. So whenever a new video come out, you'll be the first to get notified. Peace out, love God, family. Garnish with some spinach. Very beautiful.